With 1.25 kilowatts of power provided by a low-emissions 43cc two-stroke engine, the Victa post-hole digger is your go-to choice for creating holes for fence posts, stumps, pergola posts and clotheslines. Open the box and you'll find the only assembly you need to do is to attach the auger bit. Before you get started, make sure you thoroughly read the owner's manual to familiarise yourself with the features, functions and safe use of your new post-hole digger. Using the supplied hex key, remove the bolt and washer from the fitting seat at the top of the auger bit. Insert the drive shaft into the bit's fitting seat, taking care to align the holes. Then screw the bolt and washer back in. Fill the fuel mixing bottle with 1 litre of fresh fuel and then add 20 ml of two-stroke oil. Shake thoroughly until it's mixed. In a well-ventilated location outdoors, fill the fuel tank until it's almost full. In the right hand grip, push the red stop button forwards to the running position. Pump the priming bubble until it fills with fuel and you can't see any air bubbles in the fuel hoses. Push the choke to the cold or starting position. Pull the starter cord out until you meet a little resistance and then pull firmly 3 or 4 times until the engine starts to kick. Then switch the choke back to the open or run position and pull the starter again until the engine starts. Allow it to idle for about a minute or so until you put it to use.